Hello everyone, welcome to this in-depth exploration of how increase your focus using neuroscience based technique. I will be sharing evidence-based strategy that can help sharpen your concentration and boost your productivity. Whether you are a student or professional or simply someone looking to enhance your cognitive ability. Let's start with the understanding of focus from a neuroscience perspective. Before we dive into other specific techniques, it is crucial to understand what is happening in your brain when you focus. The ability to concentrate is closely tied to functioning of your prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for executive function like decision making, planning, and attention control. When you are focused, this region is highly active, working to filter out distraction and maintain your attention on the task at hand. However, focus is not a constant state, my friend. Your brain operates in two distinct modes: the focus mode and the diffuse mode. The focus mode is when you are concentrating intensely on a specific task, while the diffuse mode is a more relaxed state where your mind drifts and makes broader connections. Both modes are essential for learning and problem solving, and understanding how to switch between them can significantly enhance your ability to focus. There are some chemicals which released by our brain called neurotransmitters, and these chemicals has huge impact on our focus. Neurotransmitters play a crucial role in your ability to concentrate. Dopamine in particular is closely linked to motivation and focus. When you are engaged in a task you find rewarding, your brain releases dopamine, which help enforce that behavior and keeps you focused. Other neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and acetylcholine also contribute to attention and alertness. Now that we have a basic understanding of neuroscience behind focus, let's explore some practical techniques to enhance your concentration. So first technique is Pomodoro techniques, harnessing your brain's natural rhythms. One of the most effective methods for the improving focus is Pomodoro techniques. This time management method works with your brain natural attention span, which typically lasts about 25 minutes before needing a break. Here is how it works. Choose a task you want to focus on. Set a timer for 25 minutes or work on the task with full concentration until timer rings. Take a short 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoro, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique is effective because it aligns with your brain's natural cycle of focus and rest. During the 25-minute work session, you are engaging your prefrontal cortex and leveraging your brain focus mode. The short breaks allow your brain to enter diffuse mode, which is crucial for consolidating information and preventing fatigue. My friend, now we will look into next technique, which is mindfulness meditation, that is training your attention muscles. Mindfulness meditation is another powerful tool for improving focus. Regular meditation practice has been shown to increase the density of gray matter in your brain region. Why? Because gray matter is associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation. It's essential a workout for your prefrontal cortex, strengthening your ability to control your attention. To practice mindfulness meditation, start with just a few minutes each day. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Just focus on your own breath. When your mind loses concentration, which is inevitably it will gently bring your attention back to your breath. This act of noticing when your mind has lost concentration and redirecting focus is mental equivalent of bicep curl for your brain. My friend, and over time this practice can significantly enhance your ability to concentrate even in distracting environments. It's not about the achieving a state of perfect focus, but rather about training your brain to notice when it's distracted, redirect its attention. So next is the power of novelty, that is stimulating your brain reward system. Your brain is naturally drawn to novelty. New experience triggers the release of dopamine, which not about the makes you feel good but also help improve focus and motivation. You can leverage this neurological quirk to enhance your concentration. My friend, try to introduce a small change to your work environment or routine. This could be as simple as working in different locations, using a new productivity app, or tackling tasks in a different order than usual. This novel element can stimulate your brain's reward system, making it easier to maintain focus on your work. However, be cautious not to introduce too much novelty, as this can be a distraction itself. So, the key is to find a balance that keeps your brain engaged without overwhelming it. Now let's talk about the importance of sleep for focus. So sleep is equally important for our life and for the healthy brain. My friend, sleep plays a crucial role in cognitive function, including your ability to focus. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, clear out all the toxin you accumulated over the days, and prepared itself for the next day cognitive challenges. You must heard about the chronic sleep deprivation can significantly impair your brain abilities to concentrate and make decisions. To optimize your sleep, your better focus, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, although this vary with the age and individual to individual sometime. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule even on the weekend. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Avoid screen at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep-wake cycle. By prioritizing sleep, you are giving your brain the opportunity to reset and recharge, setting yourself up for improved focus during your waking hours. Another crucial thing that you can adopt in your daily routine is exercise, a brain focus booster. Regular physical exercise is not just good for your body, it's also a powerful tool for improving cognitive function, including focus. So exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neuronal cells and formation of new neural connection between the neurons. So the aerobic exercise in particular has been shown to increase the size of hippocampus, a brain region or area crucial for memory and learning. It also boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is BDNF, a protein that supports the survival of existing neuron cells and encourage the growth of new neuron cells. So my friend, you don't need to become a marathon runner to reap these benefits. Even the moderate exercise like a brisk 30-minute walk can have a significant positive impact on your brain's abilities to focus. My friend, try incorporating regular exercise into your routine, whether it's morning jog, an evening yoga session, or midday walk. Okay, my friend, please don't forget about the healthy diet, that is nutrition for the neuron health. What you eat can have a significant impact on your brain ability to focus. Your brain requires a constant supply of energy to function optimally, and the type of fuel you provide can make a big difference. Foods rich in the omega-3 fatty acids such as fatty fish, walnuts, and flaxseed are particularly beneficial for brain health. So omega-3 are crucial component of brain cells membranes have been linked to improve cognitive function. Antioxidant-rich food like berries, dark chocolate, and leafy green can help protect your brain cells from the oxidative stress, potentially improving memory and focus. Staying hydrated is also crucial for optimal brain function. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive performance, including the ability to focus. These are some other factors which help us to focus on our goals, like multitasking. In our fast-paced world, multitasking often seems like a necessity. But my friend, be careful. From a neuroscience perspective, multitasking is actually a myth. What we perceive as a multitasking is actually rapid task switching, and it can significantly impair our ability to focus. So each time you switch tasks, there is a cognitive cost. You have to pay cognitive cost. Yes, you heard right. Your brain needs time to disengage from the one task, activate the rule for the next task, and then start that task. And this process can take several tenths of a second, which may not be seems like much, but it adds up over the course of a day. Moreover, frequent task switching can increase the production of cortisol, the stress hormone, which over time can damage the brain ability to function effectively. So my friend, to improve your focus, try to minimize multitasking. Instead, practice single tasking. Choose one task to focus on. Eliminate potential distraction. Turn off your notification. Find a quiet place. Work on the task for a set period. You can use the Pomodoro techniques here. Take a short break before moving on the next task. By giving your full attention to one task at the time, you are working with your brain's natural capability rather than against them. So the next is the power of break. While it might seem counterintuitive, taking regular break is essential for maintaining focus over long periods. Your brain's ability to sustain attention is not infinite, and trying to focus too long without break can lead to mental fatigue and decreased productivity. When you take a break, you are allowing your brain to enter in diffuse mode. As I mentioned before, this relaxed state of mind is crucial to consolidating information, making new connections, and refreshing your ability to focus. Effective break does not have to long. Even a few minutes of rest can help reset your brain. Some effective breaks activity include taking a short walk, practicing deep breathing exercise, engaging in a brief mindfulness meditation, doing some light stretch. So the looking at the nature, even picture of nature can have a restore effect. Remember my friend, the goal of a break is to give your brain a chance to relax and recharge. Avoid using break time for cognitively demanding activities like checking email or scrolling through social media, as this can deplete your mental resources rather than replacing them. Another is music. Everybody love music, right? So the music can be a powerful tool for enhancing focus, but its effect can vary depending on types of music and the task at hand. So research has shown that the certain types of music can improve cognitive performance, particularly on the tasks requiring sustained attention. So my friend, if you want to listen music, particularly in instrumental music, during your study or during your small work, you can listen to this music, which I have prepared a video for you guys. Now next, the tempo of the music also matter. So music with the tempo of 60 to 70 beats per minute, which mimic the human heartbeat, has been found to promote a state of relaxed alert that conducive to focus and concentration. So the next is environment around you. So your physical environment can have a significant impact on your ability to focus. Clusters, noise, and other distractions can overload your brain's attentional system, making it harder to concentrate on the task at hand. Next is the optimizing lighting. So the natural light is ideal, but it is hard to find the natural light for everyone. It's that not possible. Ensure your workspace is well lit to reduce eye strain and maintain alertness. Maintains a comfortable temperature. So being too hot or too cold can be distracting or impact cognitive performance. Remember, my friend, the ideal work environment can vary from the person to person. So pay attention to what conditions help you focus best and try to recreate those conditions when you need to concentrate. Next is technology. In our digital age, technology is often seen as a double-edged sword when it comes to the focus. While it provides the powerful tools for the productivity, it can also be a significant source of distraction. The constant pings of the notification from our device can trigger the release of dopamine, creating a cycle of distraction that's hard to break. So each time we check a notification, we are enforcing this behavior, making it harder to maintain focus on important tasks. Use apps that block distracting websites during the work hours. Practice tech-free period during the day to give your brain a break from the digital stimulation. By being mindful of your technology use, you can create an environment that supports focus rather than undermine it. By implementing these neuroscience-based techniques from the Pomodoro techniques and mindfulness meditation to optimizing your sleep and nutrition, you can significantly enhance your ability to concentrate. So remember, my friend, improving focus is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient with yourself and consistent in your efforts. Over time, you will likely notice improvement not just in your ability to focus, but in your overall cognitive performance and productivity. So keep exploring and experimenting with the different techniques. What works best may vary from person to person. So pay attention to what strategy resonates most with you. With the persistent and the right approaches, you can train your brain to be a powerful partner in your pursuit of improved focus and productivity. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.